Now there's a lot of different kinds of Thixo to, Thixo your various needs. You've got the regular Thixo. Now this one's great. You got a long open time to work with. It's nice and thick. It's not going to run all over the place. But you've also got a low viscosity. So if you need the strength of Thixo, but you need it to get down in all those nooks and crannies, this might be the Thixo for you. We also got the Thixo Flex. And this, well, it's ready to tackle almost any situation because it's flexible. It'll go with the flow. Actually, it's got a little flex to it, so it's not gonna be as brittle if something's gotta move a little bit. We also got the Thixo Fast Cure if you don't wanna wait around and, you need to start working it a little bit sooner. And then there's the Thixo that is thickened with a little wood, sawdust. But you can also do this yourself if you want a specific species. If this doesn't match your particular project, you can make your own Thixo wood just by taking the regular Thixo and mixing wood in it. Well, not like a whole piece of wood, that wouldn't work, but like little pieces that are known as sawdust.
Yay!